All right, so I just brought this inside, and look at the size of this box. I mean, it's almost up to my waist. It's huge. My dogs are excited too. Got this, and ooh, it smells good, huh? What's it smell like in there? Got this on a lightning deal on Amazon yesterday, and it's here today. Unbelievable how quickly this thing got here. It is everything that I have seen on the internet. The box is huge, it's heavy. It really does look like I can go into Best Buy and buy this. Wow, shocked. Bring it down like that. Check out the accessories. It's my box of accessories. Let's see how easy it is to set this thing up. Just 2 screws on both sides. Nice little clippers. Use these clippers to unclip this. Oh, that's cool. The benchy is done. It's cool. Oh my God. Wow, that was like, does that come up just as easy? Wow. Oh my, all right, this glass bed is freaking amazing. No way, look at that. All right, I am very, very, oh my God, I am very, very impressed with this. I mean, yeah, okay, so there's some spider webs in there, but you know, it just popped off the bed. My whole thing's always been problems with these things popping off the bed. I'll be doing more prints and more updates, so there it is. If you want to get a printer, that's really easy, straight out of the box. I didn't adjust anything, I just printed and it worked like a freaking charm. Fokoos, whatever you want to call it. All right, so I'm printing another cover, which is really cool. It has everything on the SD card, so I'm just printing up this. Got this one, printing up some cool stuff. We'll be doing a video about this one in just a moment. Of course, we got this one rolling right now with a love thing for Valentine's. And this one's printing up another one of these, so pretty cool.